I'd like to show you how to install a Linux virtual machine using Oracle's VirtualBox. So previously I've downloaded this virtual machine, so it's a zip file. I'm going to unzip it is the first step. What's coming out is a VMDK file, so that's a virtual machine disk. Now make sure that this file is wherever I want it to stay, because VirtualBox gets really angry if I move its disk around underneath it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a virtual machine that's going to use this disk. So this basically just sets the icons. VirtualBox is going to store the virtual machine here in the directory that I specify. So this is the UAF DSL image. You need to pick how much RAM. More like a gig, a couple of gigs if you've got it, but more RAM is always better. Now, I have an existing virtual hard disk, so I'm going to tell VirtualBox about this by clicking Add, and then I just have to find where I stored my virtual machine disk, so that's here, and there, and then there's my VMDK file. Hopefully this works. So I've created a virtual machine to use this disk, and now I'm going to start running the virtual machine. So it looks like that booted fine. It tells you the how to log in right there. So this gets me to a GUI, and now I can fire up a terminal, see what files exist there. There's a couple of basically really old school programs built in there. Now, you're almost ready to do homework 0, except you notice my mouse is now trapped inside here. So the escape key to get out of the VM is my right control key. So I'm going to just tap, so you notice my mouse is trapped inside. I'm going to tap the right control key, and now I have let go of the virtual machine, and my mouse is free again. So now you're ready to do homework 0.